Hey everyone, so I have another haul for you guys, and all the items I will be showing you are actually from the same day I had my food vlog tour video. So I went to a few shops while I was filming my vlog, and the first thing I found was this Lucky Star collector box. And I was really ecstatic to find this because I saw this on eBay and it actually sells for like $64 or something crazy like that. And then I saw this at a Japanese bookstore and they sold it for $15. So that was a really good deal and I was really happy to find that. And they also had this Lucky Star anime DVD, so I decided to buy it. It's volume 5, but it was the only one they had there. And next I got this Rilakkuma blanket, and it's really cute because when you unfold the blanket, you can use Rilakuma's face as a little hood. So next I got these stickers that had a little cat character on it. This is also Sanex. And then I got these other stickers that were this little raccoon character. I don't actually know the name, but it's Sanex also. And I also got these Sanrio character stickers. And I think it's a new character because I haven't seen it before, but it's a little fish character. Then I got this Little Twin Stars deco tape, and the design is just really cute. It's Kiki and Lala together in the sky. And next I went to a Japanese market and they had these little cat donut re-ments, and they're actually squishy. So the one that I got was this red donut cat. And next I got this cat squishy, and I have never seen this character before. I'm not sure if it's in like cartoon or something, but I thought it was really cute, and yeah, so I got that one. And then I also found these two Hello Kitty squishies, and they're both Hello Kitty in this kind of Japanese costume, I think. And these are what the tags look like. So I got these from Sanrio's actually, so if you guys shop there, then you might be able to find these too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!